Over time, your door handle could become loose. Follow these simple steps to help you refit the door handle. The tools you require are a flat-headed screwdriver, a cross-headed screwdriver, a small piece of wood, or as an alternative an old matchstick, and a hammer. You will now need one of your screwdrivers. Remove the screws fixing the handle to the door. But remember to keep the screws for later. Now remove the door handle from the door and put to one side for refixing later. When you have removed the handle, you will notice larger holes where the screws have been removed. Place a small piece of wood in the screw holes. You may need your hammer to tap the wood into the holes. Repeat for all the holes as necessary. Now put the door handle back onto the spindle. Place one screw in the top of the handle and tighten with the screwdriver. Insert another screw diagonally opposite the first one and then repeat for the remaining screws. Once you have finished refitting the screws, you should test the handle. If you still have a problem, contact your repairs reporting centre for assistance and advice.